We'll do stainless steel and appliances. We've got our shocker clean, we've got our drain cleaner. But Amos, I'll head over to your studio as you show us the amazing toilet and tank product. Amos, I'll be there in a second.
Thank you so much, Adam. Great to be with you today. And for you at home, it's great to be with you too. Fast Toilet and Tank is industry leading. When it comes to cleaning your toilets, not all toilet cleaners are created equally. The same toilet cleaner that you can use in the toilet bowl, it can't be used in the toilet tank because most of those consumer products that you can get from your local store, they may contain corrosive materials, maybe bleach, maybe ammonia. And when there's a reaction that happens when bleach or ammonia comes in contact with the hard water or mineral deposits or limescale in your toilet, it'll actually make an explosion of corrosion. And I have 3 test bowls that I'm gonna show you in a moment just to verify exactly, paint the picture of what I'm talking about. This Fast Toilet and Tank is so innovative. There's no soap, there's no bleach, there's no ammonia.
No ammonia.
Hey!
Look at this fancy shirt of yours.
Don't you love it?
Oh my gosh, you are just, you're ready for the disco. Okay.
Thank you so much.
We are excited. Amos is just one of a kind. We love Amos, we love your dad. For so many years, over 40 years, there's no brand like it. We just featured this duo on Open House every Monday from 9 to midnight. This is unlike all the other toilet and tank products out there, and it's something we've been using in our home for a while. You get, Amos, with these 2 bottles, there's 50 applications.
Yes.
It's like a whole year's worth of supply.
It's like a year.
Right. Okay, so let's get down to business.
Okay.
We're not afraid to compare to the other guys, right?
100%. There is no comparison. Number one, 50 applications. When your consumer products from the store, you're not going to get nowhere near 50 applications. Right. This configuration is awesome. It's going to be able to clean your toilet, maintenance the toilet for up to a year. Now, like I said, not all toilet cleaners are created equally. The same toilet cleaner that you can use in your toilet bowl, the one you buy from the store, it can't be used in the toilet tank, and I'll show you why. This device right here on the inside of the toilet tank, it's called the hardware. What happens is hard water alone breaks that down, but when you're adding bleach and ammonia, it breaks down that pump, that seal. Now, use this innovative Fast Toilet Tank to clean that. Come on over here, and I'm gonna paint this perfect picture. If you take a good look at the inside of the toilet bowl.
Oh boy.
You see that? That's
yeah,
bad,
I see it, yeah.
Hard water buildup, lime scale. That's a disaster right there. Now, I wanna show you this fancy bottle. This is a brand new design, and it's got the gooseneck on there. So the gooseneck provides you to get up under the rim there. Now, I love the child safety, so you just squeeze that and you can turn it to open it or close it. I'm gonna squeeze it and open it. Watch this. I wanna show you the degreasing technology, if you will. You see, this has a thick consistency, so it stays right there where you put it.
Yeah.
Clings.
Yeah. I
love it. And it starts to emulsify, neutralize. But look at the water, Adam.
Yeah.
You see, you at home?
Yeah.
When that comes in contact with the water, it turns from green to blue.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's activated, it's ready to work. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work this toilet brush around the toilet bowl. Yeah. And you can see instantly it's breaking down the hard water buildup, the lime scale, the rust, iron, and mineral deposits that build up on there. And look at that. I'm just gonna go ahead and wring this out now.
Yeah.
And for you kings and queens at home, I'm gonna do the royal flush. Everything goes right down the toilet, all the lime scale, all the buildup. Yep. But I wanna show you something real quick. This is the mirror test. I'm gonna go right up under there, and you see all those holes and passages?
Yep. Yep.
You wanna clean that. So when you're doing your toilet bowl, work that brush up under there to clean those little holes and passages, and we'll do that on the next one. But
Amos, just so you know, my friend, because this launched about a week or so ago. We've sold over, is it 13,000? I think it's 13,000. We have 1,700 left, so we're selling this out right now.
Nice.
This is your final chance and last presentation. It's a special deal that we put together for the 2-pack, which is, again, 50 applications. It's a year's worth of supply if you're doing it approximately once per week. If you look at the reviews, every review is perfect. Every review is 5-star perfect. $34.99 and 5 flex pay of $7. We have to buy a toilet and tank product anyway. We're saying buy this one because, as we're going to show you, it's better.
I'm going to show you, I'm going to paint the picture again right here. I've got 3 test bowls, and each one of these test bowls, I'm going to put test bowl number 1, the consumer product, the bleach stuff that you buy at the store. That's a lot right there. Yeah. Test bowl number 2, these popular tablets. Everybody's using them, but they actually clot your toilets because they fall apart and clog up your toilet. Test bowl number 3 is our Fast Toilet and Tank. There's just enough in there to turn the water from green to blue. Yeah. Now, what I have next is liquid rust. I'm going gonna take a dropper of liquid rust and apply it to each one of these test bowls. And I want you to get a good close look right over here at test bowl number 1. Look at this reaction. This is no good in your toilet tank or your toilet bowl. You see, that's an explosion. An explosion of corrosion. What happens is that big mushrooming effect of the hard water buildup to the bleach, it'll actually harden and solidify in the toilet passages and clog the toilet. Oh no. Now watch this, test bowl number 2. I'm gonna do the same thing and put a dropper of liquid rust in there. Let's see if anything different happens. Okay, very scientific. This is designed to show you what happens when bleach or ammonia products come in contact with rust. You get an explosion of corrosion. That big mushrooming effect, remember what I said, it will actually harden and solidify on the inside of the toilet bowl. Test bowl number 3. You ready for this one?
Here we go.
Here we go. I'm gonna put a dropper of liquid rust in there. I want you to take a look at how it's emulsifying and then it's neutralizing the hard water, the rust, the lime scale. It's breaking it down. There's no explosion of corrosion. You see the difference.
Totally.
You see the difference. I mean, that's good. That's good cleaning technology right there at its best. That's the Professor Amos we all know and love.
There's nobody that does it better. Nobody does it better than Professor Amos, and we're going to feature all the big hitters, all the best sellers in this hour. But this is your last chance. We have now, with everybody placing orders, 1,400 left before it's sold out. The deal is it's a better value because we're doing the 2-pack together today. There is no ammonia, there is no bleach. It's safer on, for example, the pump. It's safer on your toilet. It's safer on your tank, right? But you're getting the best results. And we just showed that demonstration, the difference between this and the other guys that we're buying every day of the week. Try it once and we think you'll buy it forever. Try it once and we think you'll use this forever. Obviously, a year's worth of supply nearly for $34.99 is money really well spent. I've been using this, we've been using this in our home since I even knew it existed. And in this hour, again, we'll show you the heavy hitters and maybe some products that you didn't know existed. This one is brilliant. You'll love, obviously, the way it cleans and performs, because look, Amos, this is a dirty job. We've got to do it.
Right.
If we're going to do it, we've got to do it the best way possible.
You got to do it the best way possible. And this is a product you're going to use because we're always cleaning the toilet bowls, the toilet tanks. They're out of sight, out of mind. I want to establish this one more time. So if you come on over to my second toilet number 2, I'm going to come around your side.
Switch sides.
But you're going to love this because this is painting the perfect picture. Taking a good look at the inside of the toilet bowl, the porcelain throne there. You'll see hard water buildup. You'll see the lime scale, the rust, iron, and mineral deposits. And do your mirror challenge here, okay? Take a look up under there. You see those little holes, those little passages there? That explosion of corrosion that I just showed you in those test bowls, that's what actually happens in those little passages. It'll clog the arteries of the toilet. And then it takes you 2 and 3 times to flush the toilet to get something to go down. Remember the brand new design of the bottle.
Yes.
You'll love the gooseneck. Get it right up under there for easy application. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at that. Now the technology is, it has a grip, grab, and hold technology. It's thick. It stays where you put it. It starts to emulsify and it starts to neutralize the hard water buildup. Now that color changing technology, when it comes in contact with the water, it goes from green to blue. It's activated. It's ready to work. Now watch this. I'm going to take this toilet swab here and just work that around the porcelain throne. And I'm going to work right up under there where those little holes and passages lie. You want to clean those. You want to rub them. You'll have to get a little contact on there. But look at how easy it's coming clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and wring that out. And again, I'm going to go right back to flush it to get everything to go right down, all the buildup, all the small particles that splash up under there. Look at, and do you smell it?
Fresh and clean.
I love it. Love it. You'll want to clean your toilets over and over and over again. And I'm going right back up under there with the mirror. But look at that. Look at the big holes. They're clear. The little ones, they're open. You've got flushing capacity. There's no coughing. There's no sneezing. There's no wheezing because there's no soap, no bleach, no ammonia. I love it.
And that means, you know, when you see that demonstration, you think about the rust or the mold, the mildew, the stains that build up. This effectively gets rid of them and helps to eliminate them. Faster and easier, simpler and better and safer, safer on your toilet, on the mechanism, on the pump, on everything, because we're not using ammonia, we're not using bleach. That's the Professor Amos different. With everyone placing their orders, now 900 left before we are completely sold out. This is the last chance, last presentation. We've sold 13,000 and something over the past few days. This is your last opportunity to be able to get it. Again, it's a 2-pack, the jumbo size bottles. It's 50 applications. If you use it once a week, obviously nearly a whole year's worth for $34.99.
Yes.
Discover this today, because once you discover it again, Amos, you know, these are not luxury products. These are the essential products.
Yes.
We have to spend our money on somewhere. Spending it on this, it's just better in every way.
Yes, these are the essential products, but these are the proprietary products. Okay, this is what the major facilities use, the hotels, the motels, the janitorial supply. This is not the consumer way. There's no soap, bleach, or ammonia. But like I said, not all toilet cleaners are created equally. The same toilet cleaner you can use in your toilet bowl, you can't use in the toilet tank because of that device right there. The pump, the hardware, the hard water breaks that down, but the bleach and the ammonia breaks that down too. It rusts out the gaskets and the little seals in there. Now I say that to say this. Come on over to these test bowls. I'm gonna show you one more time. I have 3 test bowls here, and I'm gonna apply product to each one of these. Here's the consumer bleach from the store, okay? Yep. I'm gonna put a lot in there, see if it makes any difference. Yep. Test bowl number 2 is that tablet. Remember, those tablets are no good. They fall apart. They clog the little passages of your toilet. Yep. No good. Test bowl number 3, Fast Toilet and Tank, Professor Amos. You know the name. Now I'm gonna take a dropper of liquid rust and apply it to each one of these test bowls, and I want you to take a good close look at the reaction that happens when bleach comes in contact with the rust. Oh my goodness. And it's an explosion. It's a big mushrooming effect. It'll actually harden and solidify in those little holes and passages. Yeah. Forget about it. Test bowl number 2. I'm gonna do it on the tablet there. There's a popular tablet, the one you're putting in the back of the toilet tank, the one with all the ammonia, the one with all the bleach. All right, test bowl number 3, here we go. Fast Toilet and Tank, Professor Amos. A dropper of liquid rust in there. Watch this.
It's not doing the same thing as the other 2. It's working differently.
That's right. It's working differently. It's emulsifying and it's neutralizing. There's no buildup. There's no corrosive explosion like the other test bowls.
It's amazing.
Somebody
Amos,
say hallelujah.
Hallelujah. That's what it is. We're going to let Amos get set up for our next item right over there. Guys, as we wrap this one up, do not forget, it is the 2-pack for less than $35. You will be dancing in the aisles when you get this home. There is no other product quite like it, as we have proven time and time and time again. Talking of unique and very special, tonight at midnight, Mr. Andrew Lessman will be live from Los Angeles with brand new today's specials at 3 phenomenal opportunities. You can always check them out right now on hsn.com, but tonight we will be talking about fiber mucil, we'll be talking about cholesterol, and we will be talking about circulation and vein support, one of the all-time biggest sellers. So check that out at midnight with Andrew and I. Talking of all-time biggest sellers, guys, we want to make sure that you know Shop Get Clean is here. Amos is going to do things that you have never thought possible. And I don't mean busting a move. I mean about from cleaning rugs and carpets to jewelry and sneakers to a